Hello guys, it's Sarah. Today I'm drawing a cute ice cream popsicle. A rounded corner will make its shape perfect. Try to draw with me. I love drawing and coloring so much. This ice cream is so cute.
The farmer takes the wife. The wife takes the child. The wife takes the child. Hi ho the dairy-o. The wife takes the child. The child takes the nurse. The child takes the nurse. Hi ho the dairy-o. The child takes the nurse. The nurse takes the cow. The nurse takes the cow. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the nurse takes the cow. The cow takes the dog. The cow takes the dog. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cow takes the dog. The dog takes the cat. The dog takes the cat.